Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Priya. In today's video, we are going to learn body parts names in Konkani with English pronunciation. This video is perfect for kids, beginners, students and anyone interested in learning Konkani vocabulary. So let's start learning body parts in Konkani in fun and easy way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn with Priya for more educational videos. Let's begin. Body, sharir, sharir. Head, mate, mate. Hair, case, case. Forehead, kapal, kapal. Face, tond, tond. Eye, dolo, dolo. Ear, kan, kan. Nose, nak, nak. Nostril, nakachibhok, nakachibhok. Cheek, gal, gal. Mouth, tond, tond. Lip, ont, ont. Tooth, dant, dant. Tongue, jeeb, jeeb. Neck, gaunti, gaunti. Shoulder, kando, kando. Chest, harde, harde. Back, part, part. Hand, hath, hath. Palm, talhat, talhat. Finger, bota, bota. Nail, nakshi, nakshi. Stomach, pot, pot. Waist, penkad, penkad. Thigh, mandi, mandi. Leg, pine, pine. Toe, payanchi bota, payanchi bota. Skin, kath, kath. Bone, ad, ad. Blood, ragat, ragat. Heart, kalis, kalis. Belly button, bombli, bombli. Great job! Now you have learned many body parts names in Konkani with English pronunciation. Keep practicing these words every day to improve your Konkani vocabulary and speaking skills. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Subscribe to Learn with Priya for more language learning videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye and happy learning.